Because we're gonna make spaghetti. And now, what's next? Mushroom. Perfect. Bueno. And pepper. Mix. Kubalikan. Mix again.
Garlic and onion yan.
And mix again. Mix again. Spam hot dog. Kubalikan. Mix again. Wow!
Masarap ba yung spaghetti ni Mama?
Yes. Wow! Again?
Cheese yan.